In the construction industry, every structure begins with a vision, and every success depends on how well it is executed. This is HIPPO SDN BHD, a contractor company specializing in building construction works, committed to delivering projects that meet the standards of time, cost, and quality.
Hi, my name is Saifuddin, co-founder of HIPPO SDN BHD. So HIPPO SDN BHD is a contractor company specializing in the building works and committed to delivering projects that meet the highest standard of quality, time, and cost. Established as a private limited company, we are built on a foundation of professionalism, accountability, and long-term growth. As the Malaysia construction industry continues to evolve, we are expanding our capabilities beyond the building constructions into the infrastructure project, including the railway system, bridge, and civil engineering development. Inspired by the projects such as the E-Coast Railing and the Terengganu Road Bridge, HIPPO SDN BHD is committed to building a stronger and more sustainable future for the nations. Every successful company is guided by a clear vision. So at HIPPO SDN BHD, our vision is to become a leading and trusted contractor in Malaysia, recognized for excellence in both building and infrastructure constructions. So driven by these visions, we continuously strive for innovation, professionalism, and quality in everything we do. So our mission is to deliver a high-quality project within the time and budget, maintaining a safe working environment, and promote sustainable construction practice. Turning visions into reality requires clear goals and strong strategy. At HIPPO SDN BHD, we are committed to delivering projects on time and maintaining the highest standard of safety, quality, and environmental responsibility. Our success is guided by a core value which is integrity, teamwork, continuous learning, and a safety-first culture. This value drives every decision we make, ensuring that every project is delivered responsibly, efficiently, and sustained. As HIPPO SDN BHD continues to grow, we remain committed to delivering projects that create lasting value to our clients and communities. Working closely with government agencies and large-scale developers, we combine innovations, technology, and sustainability to achieve excellence in every project. Through the adoption of building information modeling, BIM, strong site management, and environmental responsible practice, we deliver projects safely, efficiently, and the highest standard of qualities. As we look to the future, we remain focused on the building not just structure, but lasting legacies.
Hi, my name is Nabila and I'm the project manager of HIPPO SDN BHD. So, before HIPPO SDN BHD can operate as a construction company, it of course must first be properly registered and certified. Therefore, HIPPO SDN BHD is registered as a private limited company or Sdn under the Companies Commission of Malaysia, which is SSM. So, these registrations gives the company a legal identity, so it allows to enter contracts, own assets, and conduct business professionally. The SDN BHD structure also provides limited liability protections, which helps protect the personal assets of shareholders from business risks. So, in addition, HIPPO SDN BHD is registered with the Construction Industry Development Board or CIDB. So, the CIDB registration is mandatory for contractors and Malaysians and ensures that the company meets the industry requirements and standards. And these registrations allow our company to participate in construction projects, including government and large-scale infrastructure development. So through these proper registration and certifications, our company are able to build trust and confidence among the clients and stakeholders. Next, to ensure effective project management from HIPPO SDN BHD, we adopt a functional organizational structure. So this structure is suitable because it clearly defines roles and responsibilities, improves communication, and allows each department to focus on its area of expertise. So at the top of the organizations are the co-founders, who are responsible for setting the company's vision, strategic direction, and major business decisions. So below the co-founder is the project manager, who oversee the overall project and ensure that the project objectives are achieved in terms of time, cost, quality, and safety. And supporting the project manager are several key personnel, such as the quantity surveyor. They manage project costs, budgeting, tendering, and contract administration. And the site engineer oversees technical matters and ensure that construction works follow approved drawings and specifications. The safety officer monitors safety compliance and promotes a safe working environment on site. So with these two elements together, our company HIPPO SDN BHD can operate professionally and successfully deliver our construction project.
Okay, so imagine that HIPPO SDN BHD has been established. So as a new contractor company, one of our biggest challenges is simple. How do we convince clients to choose us instead of hundreds of other contractors in Malaysia? So the answer lies in our marketing strategy and how we position ourselves in the construction industry. So rather than competing only on the lowest price, HIPPO SDN BHD focuses on building a reputation based on quality, reliability, safety, and innovation. Okay, so to market our services, HIPPO SDN BHD will actively participate in both government and private sector tender opportunities. So our tender proposal, we highlight our technical capabilities, strong project management practices, and commitment to complete project on time and within budget. So in addition to that, we will build our presence through professional networking, industry exhibition, construction conference, and digital platforms such as our company website. And this channel will allow potential clients to understand our expertise and track record before making project decisions. And we also believe that successful projects are the best form of marketing. So every completed project becomes a portfolio that demonstrates our capabilities and help attract future clients. Let us look at how HIPPO SDN BHD position itself in the market. Inspired by what we observed during our visit to the ECRL and Terengganu Drawbridge project, we aim to position ourselves as a future-ready contractor that are capable of handling both building and infrastructure construction work. Our targeted clients are government agencies, GLCs, and large-scale developers who require reliable contractors for complex and high-value projects. Like HIPPO SDN BHD different from other contractors. So our unique selling proposition, or USP, is the combination of digital innovation, sustainability, and strong site management. We adopt building information modeling, or BIM, to improve coordination, reduce error, and enhance project efficiency. And at the same time, we emphasize sustainable construction practices by reducing material waste and promote environmentally responsible methods. Combined with a strong safety culture and effective site management, this strength allows us to deliver projects more efficiently while maintaining high quality standards. In short, HIPPO SDN BHD is not just competing to win projects. We are building a company that clients can trust, workers can rely on, and communities can be proud of. However, business success is not only about marketing and profit. It must also be supported by strong ethical value. Now, I would like to pass the presentation to the next presenter, who will explain how HIPPO SDN BHD to uphold business ethics in its operation.
In the construction industry, success is not only measured by completed structure but also by value behind every decision made on site. At HIPPO SDN BHD, business ethics is the foundation of every operation. Ethics here mean honesty, fairness, transparency, and accountability in all activities. Because in construction, we work with many stakeholders including the clients, consultants, subcontractors, suppliers, workers, and authorities. Without strong ethics, issues such as false claim, unfair procurement, and corruption can easily arise. At HIPPO SDN BHD, ethics is not just a policy, it is a daily practice. All of our tendering, pricing, claims, and reporting are carried out with full honesty and transparency. We do not hide defects, manipulate measurement, or mislead clients. In addition, all important decisions are properly documented to ensure clarity and trustability. Most importantly, ethical leadership starts from management, because leadership behavior shapes the entire company culture. One example of ethical practice is during supplier selection. If a supplier offers gift or personal benefit to secure a contract, the offer is immediately rejected. The incident will be recorded and reported through the company internal compliance process. The selection process then continues based only on fair criteria such as price, quality, technical capability, and safety record. This ensures fair competition and protect the company reputations and long-term sustainability.
This is business operation. HIPPO SDN BHD also carry a strong responsibility to society and the environment. A contractor not only responsible for the building structures, but also protecting the people and preserving the environment. For society, the company ensures fair treatment of workers through the proper supervision, safety training, welfare facilities, and safe working conditions. For the public, site access is carefully controlled with warning signs, barriers, and safety measures to reduce the risks such as the dust, noise, falling objects, and traffic distraction. The company also supports the local employment and engage with the local subcontractor wherever possible this allowing the project to benefit the surrounding community. Next, the environmental responsibility. HIPPO SDN BHD highlights the actively control the dust, noise, emission, water waste discharge, and sediment runoff. The company also focused on the reducing the construction waste through the better planning, proper storage, material handling, and waste segregation. When possible, reuse, recycle, and sustainable material are encouraged to reduce the environmental impact. This approach reflects the importance of sustainability highlighted during the real construction practice and site exposure. Another ethical challenge is safety vs time or cost pressure. If this have another suggestion to reduce the safety measure to speed up works, the activity is immediately stopped. The issue is reviewed with the project manager and safety officer, and corrective action is taken before the work continues. If necessary, the client is informed that the safety quality cannot be compromised for the short-term gains.
Okay, so the reflection from our academic trip to Terengganu, I learned that the successful construction companies do not rely solely on technical expertise. Projects like the ECRL and Terengganu drawbridge show us the importance of innovation, strategic planning, and strong market positioning. This experience helped us to develop a more realistic and competitive business proposal for HIPPO SDN BHD.
From the academic trip to the ECRL and Terengganu drawbridge projects, I learned that a successful construction company must not only have strong technical ability, but also proper management, clear responsibility, and good ethical practice. Through developing HIPPO SDN BHD, I also understood how ethics are applied in areas such as tendering, procurement, claims, and supplier selections. This helps companies operate more fairly and gain trust from clients and other project parties.
In our site visit to Kuala Terengganu drawbridge, I have learned that the contractor responsibility goes beyond the building structure. It also means protecting the workers, safeguarding the public, and reducing the environmental impact through the proper safety control and waste management. This visit showed me that the ethical construction creates a long-term value for both society and sustainability.
Through the business management assignment, I gained a better understanding of large construction projects are managed. The ability to Terengganu, especially to the drawbridge and this area project, will put my level of planning, coordination, and decision making for project to succeed. Before this, I didn't fully understand how project progress is managed. At the same time, I also learned about the process of establishing and registering a company, including the legal requirement, business structure, and management responsibility involved. So this gives me a clear picture of what it takes to start and operate a business successfully.
So my reflection from the site visit is it provides exposure to the real construction practices, particularly in large-scale infrastructure projects such as the ECRL and Terengganu drawbridge. So through this experience, I gained a better understanding of the project coordination, safety management, and organizational structure. It also helped us apply the business management concept learned in class to develop into our company, HIPPO SDN BHD, as a more realistic and competitive construction company.